How to avoid tolls on Google Maps. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps to avoid tolls and find free routes while driving. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is type in a location you want to navigate to. Go ahead and select that. Now, just tap on directions, and your starting point should already be set. If not, just tap on the field and add your starting point. I've randomly set my home as the starting point. This applies to both Android and iPhone apps, so no worries about the device. Tap on those three dots, and then tap on Route Options. Once you're in Route Options, you'll see a toggle for Avoid Tolls. Make sure to turn that on to avoid toll routes. There's also another section if you don't want any toll pop-ups or toll prices to appear. If that's the case, just untick that option as well. After you're done, just save your settings, and you're all set. Now you can navigate without worrying about tolls. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.